Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my beauty dreams unboxing. So today I received this box just few hours ago and I already opened it honestly, and here is the outer package. It was written Riya on it. It has one more outer package. So let me open it, guys. So here, as you can see, it's a metallic matte box and it has very beautiful paper, pink paper on it, and in that I received some jewelries. And this is their Princess Swag Box variant, in which they provided 3 jewelry pieces. And here I can see a note. It says Swag World, which says, "Hey beautiful, here is your Princess Swag Box, which has 3 jewelry pieces. The box is specially curated for you. Hence it is also has a nut to keep your swag high on this Karwa Chauth." I'll come back to you and show what is the designs of that. I'm really excited. So I took out the jewelries from the pouches. So let me show you one by one. This is their crookie earrings and they are the latest collection of the Swag Worlds. You can see they are very lightweight and they will go perfect with kurtis, daily uses, or it can go with western jeans as well. So yes, these are the pretty oranges and I'm quite liking these. And the second product is this bracelet with that blue color blue color stone, and I have so many blue color dresses it will go perfect with, and I have special place for this color as well. As you can see, my nail paint also this color. So yes, this is also a beautiful piece. The third piece is this one. Look, and these are the 3 pieces I received from Swag World, which is I'm loving. Totally I'm loving these are 3 all the different from another one. This could be used for daily uses, which I'm totally like. Yes, I'm just eager to try this out. This bracelet is also pretty, and this nut is came in a very festive mood. So it's a Durga Puja, so you're gonna see some nice looks from this. So thank you Swag World for sending me this across, and if you guys have any doubt about the Swag World, you can DM me, because it's very easy to purchase from Swag World, because they are gonna send you some amazing different products that you're gonna love. So bye guys, take care.